Okay, what is good in freelancing? So first, it's a lot of money. I think that's all. But what are minuses? That you lose a lot of energy. So I believe that you do like some side jobs. It is not as interesting and it's more energy consuming when you do some your own creative work from your own, even like a coding project, even video making. I can tell from my experience that I had some side freelance project and it took so much energy from me, like I couldn't do anything. I even didn't have any motivation, any energy to go to have any workout. But when I worked on my personal project, even on the 2 a.m. in the night, I felt so energetic. Today I would like to talk about why I work on my own personal project on evenings and weekends rather than to take some side freelance projects and earn a lot of money. And why I do this side stuff even that I get $0. Because I believe like if I can do freelancing in Europe, because I also work full-time on a outsourcing company. By doing a freelancing, maybe I can earn 50k euros per year in Europe. Of course, in the US, the higher salaries, like plus minus, and I think up to 50, maybe 60,000. But that's all. Like, if there will be a day or a month because of some incident that I couldn't work at all, so that's all. Like, it's some active time, but to working on your own personal projects on the evenings, on the weekends, like I do YouTube stuff. I'm actively sometimes on Instagram or on X, Twitter, and I do my coding own personal projects that are especially interesting personally for myself. And I believe that in maybe 1 or 2 years, I will make the same amount of money than I will do with just freelancing for a year. Like in 2 years, I can even, maybe not in 2, but maybe in 3 or 4, I can do monthly 50k, monthly, not yearly. So you can just choose like to spend your time now on just earning quick money, but lose all your energy. And like it's not only daytime energy, so you will not have energy to go to do workout, to meet your friends, or even you can be burned out and you can really get to hospital. I had friends that had such kind of problems. Or you can wait and work on your own project that you like. Even it doesn't matter, maybe you don't like to make videos, you just like to code on your own project, you like photography, or you like something, like the thing that you really like, that you really love. And even if you want to, if you like, for example, like photography, and you want to earn money from it, but you want also to work as a software engineer, so software engineering, it can be like your first job, and that one can bring you some side money. I'm not totally against for some side projects, some freelancing paid job. Just better to take some hourly job per week and not die for it. Just don't spend on your energy. Okay, maybe if you need money very quickly, it's possible, everything can happen, and your base salary, main salary doesn't let you to pay, or like you don't earn as much, so you can do, but for a month maybe. Just try. When you understand that you are getting burned out and you don't have time on your own project or passion or your life, just don't spend all your time on that like side paid project. What I do personally, like I can mix my passion, my love to making videos with my second like hobby and the work, software engineering, that I can make videos, teach something, or I like the video making because I can share with my ideas.
In this video, I just shared my experience and my conclusion from my experience. And the first example that I see in my life, it was Henry Ford. I read his autobiography and how he worked. He worked on some company, on some project, and in the evenings, in the nights, and on the weekends, he worked on creating Ford. And we all know where is Ford now. So I hope my experience and my insights help you to maybe find some new ideas. If you like the video, follow to my channel and see you on the next time.